Hey, all, my name's Kathleen Coble, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a really important question, distinction that I've been getting a lot. And I think these terms are really misunderstood, especially in the Amazon influencer space. So, what I want to talk to you guys about today is what is the difference between product review videos and shoppable videos? So I think a lot of people kind of misunderstand these two terms because they just don't have all the information about Amazon. And I see a lot of creators and people selling programs that really reference video product reviews. And then when influencers are like, well, but can I leave a video review? I don't understand. So there's just been a lot of questions, and the terminology is a little bit gray, but I am here to tell you exactly what is a shoppable video versus a product review video and how they're different and how Amazon looks at them and how you can use both of those and which one should you really be doing. So let's dive in. So the first thing that I really want to distinguish is what are product video reviews? I see people talking about product video reviews all the time, and I think the biggest thing to note is that Amazon looks at a product review as someone who is submitting that star rating, right? So if you are submitting a product review, the first thing you're going to do is decide between 1 and 5 stars. Then you have the opportunity to put some text in there. And the other thing that you can add, and I think this is where some of the confusion comes in, is that you can actually create a video or upload images to your Amazon product review. And so that is going to all show on the product listing page. Now, one thing to note is that a product review on Amazon is really, really important, not only to Amazon, but to sellers and customers. And this is because you're actually giving that product a grade, right? Like I said, between 1 and 5 stars is what you get to determine that you want to give kind of that star rating to that product on Amazon. So when you leave a review, it impacts the product listing in that it impacts the star rating. And here's the biggest thing that you should really know: it's not going to earn you commissions. So when you see product reviews, that is going to be the star rating again that's going to show up right underneath the product title page. I'm sorry, right underneath the product title on an Amazon product listing page, right? You see 4.8 stars or 3.4 stars if the product isn't doing too well. But this is an actual Amazon product review and where the product reviews live. Now, if you click on that, it will go all the way down to the bottom of the page and it will show you some of the actual Amazon product reviews from customers. And again, here's where you can see the text and you can see images, and sometimes people upload videos. One thing to note though is that Amazon is really, really strict in product reviews. So, a couple things that you cannot do is you cannot leave a product review if you've communicated with a seller and you've been incentivized in any sort of way. You cannot be biased in your product reviews. You have to be very, very honest with that, or you run the risk of getting in trouble with Amazon, and so does that seller. One other thing that I see a lot happen is that when sellers reach out to Amazon influencers like us, they are asking you to buy the product, leave a review, and then they will reimburse you the cost for that product. I just want you to know that that is so incredibly of service. The seller is literally risking their seller account asking you to do that. Sometimes sellers don't realize it, but most sellers do realize it, and they're kind of just hoping that you don't know that that's not okay. So if you ever get an inquiry like that from a seller, make sure you tell them no and that you know that that's against Amazon's terms of service. And in no way will you ever receive, or in no way will you ever purchase a product, leave a review, and then get a reimbursement from that seller. That is a big old no no from Amazon. One other thing to note again is that you don't earn commission. So if you are in the Amazon influencer program, you actually should not be doing product reviews because this could be seen as a conflict of interest. Amazon says do not be doing product reviews if you are doing shoppable videos, which I'm going to go very deep into detail on what that is in just a second. So just know that Amazon product reviews, even Amazon video reviews. If it has review in it, it's because Amazon is looking at that as a product review. You're leaving a star rating and it is showing up on that product listing page. It also impacts the product rating. So, again, this is very important. Amazon is very strict about this. And if you are an influencer, you really should not be leaving Amazon product reviews at all. Now, here's the difference. What is a shoppable video? A shoppable video is content created by Amazon influencers uploaded to the Amazon marketplace that then earns us commission. So that's why when you see Amazon reference shoppable video, it just know that it's completely different from an Amazon product review, right? A product review is you leaving a star rating and some other content as a customer, but a shoppable video is what we're doing as Amazon influencers. It's kind of a similar idea, but it is a completely different way to submit your content. And again, the shoppable videos and the shoppable photos, that's what's going to earn you money. So when you see other influencers' shoppable content, shoppable videos, you're going to see that influencer's name and you're going to see earns commission right underneath that, because that is how we earn commission, through shoppable videos and shoppable photos and some other content on Amazon. But again, one thing to note is when you are hearing product reviews, leave a product review. This is different than shoppable videos, because shoppable videos do not impact the star rating of a product listing page. They very clearly state that influencers earn commissions on those videos. And so that is really the biggest difference between a product review video and a shoppable video on Amazon. And why is this important? Why should you know the difference between these two? Because again, as sellers and as agents start reaching out to you, you're creating amazing Amazon influencer content and you get these emails and DMs from sellers. I just want you to be aware what is and isn't okay as far as terms of service goes with Amazon, because my goal for you is that you keep creating content for the Amazon influencer program and you keep earning every single day for as long as possible. So the last thing I want you to do is something that would jeopardize that, would jeopardize your account, that would break terms of service. And I'm here to give you all the information to make sure that that doesn't happen. So, which one should you be doing? Should you be submitting product reviews, product video reviews, or should you be submitting shoppable videos, shoppable content? Well, if you want to be earning money with the Amazon Influencer Program, you definitely need to be submitting and creating shoppable videos, shoppable content. This is completely separate and different from Amazon product reviews. You may get emails directly from Amazon or Amazon sellers asking you to leave a product review. Just skip those. If you're an Amazon influencer, don't do that. Amazon doesn't want you to do that. It could be seen as a conflict of interest because your review impacts the star rating that goes on that product listing page. And if you create a shoppable video on top of that, Amazon doesn't like that. And that is very much frowned upon by Amazon. Just don't do it. So if I was you, I would recommend that you aim for the sky. Get those shoppable videos created so that you can earn. And it's really important that you know the difference, especially when you're talking with sellers and negotiating with them. Only create shoppable videos. And if you're reading things from other content creators who are talking about the Amazon Influencer Program, just know that if they're talking about Amazon product videos, they may be referring to shoppable videos and may just not understand the difference in the way that those two things work. So, again, just a really, really quick recap. Product video reviews are product ratings. You are going to start with a 1 to 5 star kind of checkbox there. Amazon's going to prompt you for that. And then you can leave text and a video in that customer review. But the biggest difference is that you're not going to earn on that. And those product review videos then live on Amazon's product listing page and are rolled up into that star rating that you see at the top of the listing there underneath the title. With shoppable videos now, this is what Amazon content creators and influencers are creating in order to earn commission. And again, these shoppable videos are very easy to distinguish because when you see one, you'll see the influencer name and earns commission right underneath that. And if you are an Amazon influencer, this is the terminology that you should be using. This is the type of content that you should be creating to make sure that you are earning from the Amazon influencer program and that you're making the correct content and staying in compliance with Amazon's terms of service at all times. So, I hope this was helpful for you to really understand what the difference between Amazon product reviews are and Amazon shoppable videos and shoppable content are. Two different things, two different ways of doing things. But if you are earning with the Amazon influencer program, I highly recommend you do not be submitting Amazon product reviews. They don't want you to do it. It could be seen as a violation against your account. Just stay away from it. Keep creating those awesome videos that are going to get you paid. So, if you found this content helpful, I would love for you to hit the thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want more information about how I earn $10,000 per month every single month with the Amazon Influencer Program, make sure you sign up for my completely free masterclass that I have linked below right here, where I walk you through how I create $10,000 per month with the Amazon Influencer Program. So grab that masterclass, hit subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.